iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the customer is having display problems. As always, we want to shut down the phone. Let's remove the two screws at the bottom. Next, let's apply some heat. Now that it's warm and the glue is softened, let's use our tool to get under the screen. Once the blade is under, be very careful to not cut the cables. Now work your way around. Now that we have the phone open, let's disconnect the battery. But first, let's remove the metal plates that's covering the connections. Get your tool to lift up on the battery, then the display connects. Remove leftover adhesive. Now move the front-facing camera to the new screen. Remove screws on camera. Time to make the swap. Let's add the new seal around the edge to help make the phone water resistant. Finally, let's put the new display on. Test display. Put plates covers back on. Time to close it and make sure it's completely sealed around the edges. Last but not least, put the two screws in the bottom, and you are all done.